Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Ahmad Nur Husaini bin Nur Hasni. So today our group will present the findings that have been discussed in the previous meeting. Okay, so the finding for today's would be a brand new personal computer. It is a recommendation for our engineering department. So before we proceed, I would like to present our group members. The first one would be Aiman bin Muhammad Syukur, Amirah binti Abu Bakar, Farha Sabrina, Hazimi bin Azman, and Haziq bin Sazmi. Okay. Wait. Okay. For our introduction, as we know, in our company we have two main section or two main important section in engineering department. Okay, the first section would be electronics and control, and the second section would be design manufacturing section. Okay, both of these section plays their important role in maintaining our production line to perform in smoothness and at its highest performance. Okay, so the first section would be electronics and control section. So in this section consists of a few of our programmer and our draftman. Okay, both of these persons or title of person, programmer and draftman, use important engineering software as you can see in the screen, such as Siemens TIA Portal, CX Programmer, and AutoCAD Electrical. All of these software, it, it has their own license. Okay, and this license have to be paid in, sometimes some of it need to be paid in a highest cost. Okay, high cost. Okay, um, okay. Our programmer is given a task to update a coding or program if they need to update the sequence of the machine in our production line. So during maintenance time, sometimes they need to update the program in our machines. So uh, they need to do programming or coding in their personal computer back in their workstation. Okay, same goes to our draftsman here. They need to update electrical circuit or electronic circuit in their workbench. Okay, the next section will be our design and manufacturing section. Okay, this section we consist of a lot of designer, 3D designer in this section. So all of them are given a task to draw and design mechanical parts for our products especially, and some of them need to do QNC, quality and control check, in their workstation. So as you can see here, all of this software, engineering software, is use a lot of uh, or it requires a lot of high performance specification in personal computer. Okay, the first one would be SolidWorks, the second one would be AutoCAD. So both of these software will be used by our designer to create or design a 3D design for our products. Okay, and the third one would be Adobe software. Adobe software, some of our designer will be use this software to sometimes to use it as a touch up of the final design. Okay, so there is a little bit of our introduction in our engineering department. So the important part come here, which is our main problems. So our main problems in our engineering department would be, the first one would be their personal computer are usually stuck, or sometimes we call it as a hang. So the image of the image at the screens are stuck there, or it freeze there. So it kind of problems that brings to our programmer, code designer. They have to wait for some time to overcome this kind of problems. Okay, and the next problems, some of our staff in our engineering department complain that their PC are usually heat up, and some of their PC make a lot of noise. Okay, it is known that the noise come from the fan of their personal computer. Okay, when the PC is heated up, and the fan have to work harder to maintain the temperature of the PC. Okay, that's why it produce a loud noise. Okay, this kind of noise and heated up thing could somehow shorten the lifespan of their personal computer, and that's why their screen sometimes got freeze and stuck. Okay, the last problem is most of our engineering software like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CX Programmer, okay, all of these software are outdated and old. Okay, okay, because of that, some of our machine in our production line could not update their program, and because of that we could not somehow faster the whole sequence in our production lines. Okay, we could not cut time in our production. Because of that, we could not increase our production rate. Okay, so all of these three problems, somehow we need to solve it. Okay, that's all from me. After this, my friend will take over. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. So today I will explain a little bit about the purpose or the objective of this recommendation report. So basically, as we can see here, the recommendation report here is regarding to the engineering department. So the first objective is to identify the problem the engineering department faced. Okay, so the second one is to identify the impact or the effect of this problem towards the quality of work, and then the output product. So the third one is to give or to give the suggestion or recommendation to overcome this problem.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hazi, and today I'm gonna talk about possible solution. One of the possible solution is buy new PC. With buying new PC for the engineering department, we can get a better condition. I mean, computer with a new condition, and give a smooth work process for the engineering department. Next, one of the possible solution is buy a second-hand PC. Many not consider to buy second-hand PC, but with buying second-hand PC, we can get a far more cheaper from a new PC. Furthermore, upgrading PC is one of the possible solution too. But with the upgrading PC, we can custom our PC to get a better performance. Last but not least is we change PC to a laptop. Laptop has a smaller size compared to PC, but laptop have more cons because they have a small size and easy to break down compared to PC. Okay, thank you. That's all from me, and we will proceed to the next slide. I will pass to my friend. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Farha Sabrina binti Asa. Today, I'm going to present about suggested solution. In this company, we decided to choose between two PC. For the first PC is Dell XPS 8930. It has 3.6 GHz of 9th Gen Intel at Core i9-9900K for the processor. It has 1 TB of SSD and 2 TB of HDD. This PC works functionally well for SolidWorks and AutoCAD. For the advantage, it provides promising performance for the user. It can work smoothly while watching 4K videos. For the disadvantage, the fan of the PC will provide noise. Sometimes while watching 4K videos, there is gonna be some heating issues. For the second PC is Apple Mac Pro Desktop. It has a 3.5 GHz Intel 6-core Xeon E5 processors. For the SSD, it uses PCI for storage and the size of the storage is 256 GB. For the advantage of this PC, it is designed fabulously and works exceptionally well. It also has a removable SSD feature. For the disadvantage, this PC lacks of an optical drive. The PC of Apple Mac Pro Desktop is expensive. But if you wanna upgrade the PC, the price will also be upgraded. Thank you. That's all from me.
So this is a recommendation. I highly recommend the Dell XPS 8930 rather than Apple Mac Pro Desktop for our company. The main reason is because it has a higher memory with 1 TB SSD and 2 HDD and 2 TB HDD to save a large file. And it also use the processor 9 Gen Intel 8 Core i9 9900K to ensure the high performance with smoothing system when running a 4K videos. Beside that, it use a graphic card NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti 4GB DDR5 and use a RAM 64GB DDR4 to make it high performance while using software such as SCADA system, PLC, SolidWorks or AutoCAD. So it is suitable for our company.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirah binti Abu Bakar. Today I would like to present about the conclusion. This recommendation report is for the replacement of the best option to buy new PC based on the specification given due to the price and quality of PC. The criteria that have been established are based on the GPU, memory, processor, hard disk and price. Dell XPS 8930 Tower Desktop and Apple Mac Pro has their own advantages and disadvantages. A good PC is a PC that have a good GPU, a good processor, plenty of hard drive storage, faster memory and low in price. Okay, firstly, for the GPU, Dell is much better graphic performance with better quality images compared to Apple Mac Pro. Secondly, for the central processing unit, Dell is much better compared to Apple Mac Pro. Besides that, for the random access memory RAM, Dell has higher storage for fast access the hard drive for the file compared to Apple Mac Pro. And then for the hard drive storage, Dell is much better compared to Apple Mac Pro. Lastly, for the price, Apple Mac Pro is cheaper than the Dell XPS 8930 Tower Desktop.